Today we are going to make an mobile holder. It's an best of the ways craft and also it's a simple and an easy one too. Okay guys, kindly like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Take a old duct tape handle and then follow me and mark the shapes on it. Then cut the parts using the scissor. This helps the mobile to fix it. And I'm using a glitter tape to cover the handle, and you can also use any other things in your house. Then I'm labeling a cupcake sticker to it. Cut off the excess tape. Now our mobile holder is completely ready to use. See how useful it is. We can place our mobile in this and watch the videos whenever we like to. Also, we can watch our favorite videos even while cooking. Nowadays, children are attending the online classes and this holder will be very useful for them while attending their online classes. And guys, it's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.